Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 11. Goods that are abundant in supply usually have low A. Total utility, B. Marginal utility, C. Average utility, D. Time utility. Now let's look at the definition of each of the concepts. Now option A, which is total utility, refers to the total amount of satisfaction a consumer derives from the consumption of a commodity at a particular time. Option B, which is marginal utility, refers to the additional satisfaction derived by consuming an extra unit of a commodity. Option C, which is average utility, refers to the satisfaction which a consumer derives per unit of a commodity consumed. And option D, time utility, is not a concept. Now, from all this, we are asked that goods that are abundant in supply usually have low. What utility do they have? What low type of utility do they have? Now, there's a concept known as the law of diminishing marginal utility, and this law states that the satisfaction derived from consuming successive units of a commodity will diminish as total consumption increases. So from what we see here, as the consumption increases, as consumption of successive units increases, the satisfaction will reduce. So goods that are in abundant supply, goods that are abundant in supply, goods that are abundant in supply are goods that are plenty, so such that you can consume successive units of that particular good or that particular commodity, and based on this law, the marginal utility will reduce. So option B, low marginal utility, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.